is actually constant learning. Today is our first Facebook Live. What we always want to do is we always use a lot of different software and tools in our work among the EasyLaw team. So today, we are going to share 3 of the software that we are using, and then we think it's really fantastic for you, no matter whether you are actually doing MCO or post MCO, also you can use. So if let's say you always want to actually edit a brochure or even a name cards or even a logo that you don't know where to do, right? All you need to do is you can use this Canva tool. This is super cool. Let me just show you what we have here. Okay, if let's say you can see here, right? These are all the designs that you have if let's say you have been receiving all our newsletter, we produce all our designs using this Canva, and it's so fantastic because these are all the designs our team produce ourselves. Like, we are graphic design nerds, and then we don't really know how to do all this color matching, but then Canva do this all for us because you can choose a lot of templates. Like the templates, it can be even name cards, it can be brochure, like Facebook covers and everything. You can get everything from there. So if let's say you haven't started using, right, probably you should explore. It will just take about 20 minutes time for you to play around. Then you can understand that. And best of all, right, it also designed for Facebook posts, Instagram posts, like all this are based in Canva, and they have the mobile app. So sometimes I do use the mobile app because it's more handy. Like, these are all the templates you can just select and then just replace the photo. Like, it can be your team photo. Right now is probably the best time for you to do some branding. Like, branding actually, maybe it sounds very complicated, but actually from a business point of view, branding is not so complicated as long as you pick the main team color that you want for a business. Like, the team color, don't pick too many. You just pick 2, like black and gold. Say it's your team color, just stick to it. And then you have all your assets. Like, we call it as graphic design assets, right? Like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, you just make sure they are following the theme, the font, then it's all right already. So if let's say you haven't had chance to do it, right, what you can do is that you can use Canva to produce this amazing photos, amazing cover, and to update your Facebook profile. So I think that it would be really, really very helpful. So all this design, you can actually have it, like they have like even flyers, they have the presentation. And part of all, we are actually under free plan. So with the free plan, you can actually do a lot of stuff already. So it's very professional, well done. And when you send to like all those Happy Chinese New Year kind of message to your clients, right, you can also use Canva. That's what we have been doing. So the first tool is actually Canva. And then the second tool that I would recommend you to play around, it's Grammarly. So what is Grammarly? Okay, so if let's say you started the video in the beginning, you will see that I put some text below because I want to show you what is Grammarly. So basically, Grammarly is to help you to check plagiarism, to help you to check sentence constructions, spelling, typo, and etc. Okay, what is it so different from the spelling in documents is that Grammarly provides you even advanced. Okay, for this Grammarly, actually I paid for it. So what you can do is that they will help you to check the contextual, spelling, grammar, punctuation, sentence structure. All this you can check. And then you can collaborate and send to your proofreader. Like, for example, I think it should be running, but not. Let me open my Grammarly. Then I'll see you what is happening. So here, right, I purposely put it in a very chill kind of form, like how we usually converse in the friends. So when I open a Grammarly, you can see what they are going to advise me. I can tell Grammarly whether they should check for my plagiarism. So perhaps it's very useful for you guys when writing articles or checking your staff articles. You know whether they are actually having a plagiarism. Also, they can give you some vocabulary enhancement. Okay, so let's say, for example, I think hello is pretty simple because Word documents can put it, but then they also will give you the reasons, like hello is not in our dictionary, etc. Like this one, they will actually ask me to replace the word. And also, let me see whether advantage, what's the of using Grammarly. So let's say whether they can help us to check more sentence structure. So they will actually help me to check the sentence structure as well. I can on and off, and then I can also change the style I'm writing. Like, yeah, they will give you a lot of different suggestions, depending on what suggestion they want. Like, I write what's the advantage of using Grammarly. They will actually help me to rewrite the sentence. They will say, hey, this appears to be an incomplete sentence. Consider rewriting a sentence. Of course, the examples I'm giving you right now is not very cool, like, because I didn't pre-prepare a lot of different examples. But what you can do is that this is very cool stuff, especially for those lawyers that you're working on a corporate, or even when you're writing a specific emails, you just want to check the tone of the email. Is it all right? And then they'll also give you some samples like business emails, essay, and everything. So it's very cool to play it around it. So this is the second thing I would recommend. And it's also free too as well. And then the third thing I'm going to recommend today is called Loom. So what exactly is Loom? Okay, so this is what we have been doing in our company, EasyLaw team. We are not a very big team, so there's always knowledge management things that we need to do, right? Like, for example, I'm teaching one of my team members about certain functions of our software. Or I'm teaching my colleague about our new software. Just like today, I want to explore, hey, here's a new software that you guys can check it out. It will help you in your working life, right? So what I do is that I won't have a team meeting and then just show everybody about that, because I think it would be wasting time. I want to do one time of job, and then this job is being recorded, and then I just send them the video. I think this is very, very effective, because from my point of view, like today I'm recording this video is going to help people, and I'm going to take this video and also share it for the future. I just do one job, but then right now you will probably have a problem. Yeah, it makes sense, but where are you going to record it, right? What are the resources, free resources can do the recording? So that's where I want to introduce this Loom. Okay, this Loom is pretty cool. I actually know about this during the MCO because I learned from someone. Okay, so Loom is a Google Chrome extension. Okay, what is a Google Chrome extension? Google Chrome extension is the tool. It's a lot of mini apps. Imagine it's like a mini apps installed in your Google Chrome. And then Loom is one of the Google Chrome extension. So it's very simple to install. You just need to install in your browser. I will give you the link later on, right? And then when you're done the recording, you can choose. Like, can you see? I just press this Google Chrome extension. This will pop up. And then I will just tell this Loom that, hey, I want to record June's face. Can you see my face here? Yeah, you can properly do that, right? Or I can tell, hey, I want to hide my face when I'm doing the recording. I just do like screen. Okay, that was screen only. So if let's say you just want to focus on camera, that's my face, right? So you just pick camera. Yeah, I'm waiting in the loop. Yeah, so basically you have a lot of difference, and then it will show the microphone. So very simple. All you have to do is just to start recording by sharing your screen, and then you share whatever you want to share with teammates. Like, hey guys, I'm having this software I want to share with you guys. Then just press start recording. So right now, I will pick the screen I'm recording, right? So when I SF, yeah, 3, 2, 1, start. Hey guys, so I'm doing the recording right now. I'm going to introduce you guys this Canva, this free tool that's really awesome, and you just run through all the things that you want to be recorded in the Loom. So Loom is a screen recording software, and it's free as well. And then once you're done recording, you just press this. Okay, so let's see what happens. So what happens is that Loom the URL to check what you have to share. And after that, what I will do is that I will document it like in a Word file. Hey, this is the Loom sharing. This is a sharing of June talking about software that can help about screen sharing. Yeah, can you see that? So right now you have few choices. You can actually invite people to see the video of the Loom. And also you can actually add password. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. You can check it out. I think you should, because right now when we are very free, right, it's one of the best time that we can utilize this time to learn all the tools, awesome tools that can actually make your work faster, as well as it's all the free. So today I'm just going to explore this tree. I think it's enough for you to play around for today. So let me recap what I've shared. I'll also put it in the comment section below so it's easy for you to click, right? So we have Explore Canva, Grammarly. I'm so sorry I didn't give a very good example of Grammarly, but it's very awesome. You just go and check it out their website, or you can search off the YouTube. Because it's going to help a lot of lawyers, or maybe your clerk when they actually writing the email correspondences, right? This Grammarly can also include it in the Outlook as well, and also in all the correspondence that you have, so that it can help you to check even further other than just the word spelling, right? And the third one is really super cool. It's actually Loom. When I first started and playing around, I was super love it. So I hope you guys liked the amazing lawyer session today. If let's say you haven't joined my group, I'm going to do all my videos next time in the group soon. So if let's say you haven't joined my group, please join my group. It's called Amazing Lawyers. If let's say you want to be amazing lawyers, right, please join it. Okay. And also this one, let me go back. This is Loom. And then when you share this link to people, right, when they click play, let me show you. Yeah. It's actually me playing, and then it's me talking, and you as the owner, because me as the owner, I kind of know who actually click on this link. So in order to let you guys play around, I'm also going to share this link so that you know how it works. And they have a subscription plan, but free plan is sufficient. So don't worry about subscription. So everything we share, we are trying to push for free because everybody are on cost saving modes, right? Okay, so if let's say you haven't joined our group, it's called Amazing Lawyers, feel free to join, and I'm going to have more videos sooner or later. And it's my first live, so if let's say have any constructive feedbacks, please let me know. But then please do not scold me. It's my first live. I just want to help. Okay, I just want to help and giving all the tools that we can share. If let's say there are more things that you wish that we can include in our live video, please leave me some comments. I'm also trying to research other tools that I can have to do this Facebook Live without paying. Actually, Zoom can do it, but yes, I know, but they actually need us to upgrade to a $40 kind of plan, which we think it may not be necessary at this point. So that's it. And not forget, if let's say you need any land search, right, we are actually doing a reload promotion. If let's say you reload 500 of land search credit, you are going to get 10% rebate. If let's say you reload 2,000, you are going to get 200 rebate. Of course, right now you can't do land search due to MCO because land offices are closed. But whenever a land office are open, you can actually, right now you can reload right now just to use this promotion, so they can get rebate, and next time you're going to use it anyway, so why not? So I hope you like this session today, and then let me research further what other tools that can help you. Then we are going to do the sharing next. Please join our group. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.